Cristiano Ronaldo has gotten 1 million subscribers in just 90 minutes. 9-0. How did he do this? How did he grow so fast? How can you do the same and also get more views and subscribers? This video is going to take a deep dive into how he got successful. I'm going to explain how he creates his thumbnails, how he makes his titles, and the structure of his videos, and why he blew up so fast. And for those of you that stayed till the end, I'm going to give a special golden tip as well. This is Mahat from Tupa, so let's get right into this. Okay, the first reason that made him blow up so fast is because he actually already had a lot of fame before starting YouTube, obviously. Being one of the greatest footballers in the world, a Portuguese footballer who has won many championships, and arguably one of the best footballers in the world of his time. Shush, Messi fans. No. That argument is for another day, okay? Let's just leave that out right now, okay? Let's not get into that Messi versus Ronaldo thing. Okay, the next tip is he has amazing thumbnails on his videos. He clearly has a great YouTube team that is helping him out with this. What do you notice about these thumbnails? Yes, every single one has his face in it, or his name at least. They are using his brand, his face. He is recognizable. People see it, they will click on the thumbnail. Okay, one of them doesn't have his face, but this one has Georgina. And even she is still quite recognizable, and she is showing some kind of emotion in the thumbnail, which is something that you need to do. Okay, so that is another thing that he uses in his thumbnails. He has a lot of emotion. He's either smiling, or he's serious, or he's laughing. A lot of them are laughing actually. I think laughing and smiling, it draws people in and they click on the video. So I recommend you smile in your thumbnails. And if you're not famous or like a big YouTuber, then I don't think it's a good idea to show your face in the thumbnail, like in general, when you get a bit more recognition with your channel maybe. But it's better to use something else that is famous. Like if your video is about another YouTuber, like if your video is about a popular character in a movie, then show that character and that is more recognizable, like Spider-Man or something. Show Spider-Man in the thumbnail. Yes, this guy has already been famous for a long time. Let me explain to you. One time I remember when I was younger, I was watching him play and I was amazed at how he moves with his feet, and it's like he looks like he's gliding. And I was amazed at how he moves with his feet when he's playing football. It just looks like he's gliding, doing all of these skills, just going past defenders. And this guy clearly has a lot of training. When I was older, I looked back into his training and I found out that this guy has done a lot of training. He stayed behind. Oh, I just moved my mouse. Okay. Basically, this guy was training super hard. He was training early in the morning and he was training late after when everyone else goes home. And he was following such a strict diet. And I realized that this guy clearly has worked hard for his success. And it's apparent right now how big he got on YouTube. Unfortunately, I wasn't really as good as him in football. I was playing with my friends one time. And I was running towards one of my friends who had the ball. He just was by himself. He was on the other team. So I was running to him to try to get the ball from him. And I was getting super close to him. And right when I was about to tackle him and get the ball off him, he just pushed the ball right between my legs. And he nutmegged me. And then he got past me. And I was so embarrassed. All my friends were just laughing at me. Oh, it was really embarrassing. Let me not get sidetracked. Okay, let's carry on with this video. Basically, what I'm saying is that this guy had a legacy already before he started YouTube. But right now, if this video is helping you out so far, then I ask you to support this 2Puzzle channel. My name is Mahat from 2Puzzle here, and I make videos on how to grow on YouTube, get more views, subscribers, wealth, and more. Just take a second right now and hit that subscribe button. It will only take you a second. Are you done? Have you subscribed? Are you done? Okay, thanks. Let me know if you like his thumbnails or his titles more. Let me know which one you think has actually helped him out in his YouTube journey. Just let me know down in the comment section below. I read all of your comments. Okay, back into the video. The next thing that he does in his thumbnails is that there is action. Something is about to happen, kind of like grabs your attention. They also have a lot of color. They have like red or yellow or something, and it looks so nice. So when you see it, it kind of pops at you and you just click on it. Use colors in your thumbnails. Try to use red circles and red underline or something, or red text. It actually does help. Okay, the next thing, which is one of the most important things on YouTube, is to have good titles. This is something that actually I was struggling with in the beginning. I was getting like 1 or 2 views on my videos, but now I'm getting slightly more. No one was clicking on my titles because they weren't interesting. They have to trigger some kind of curiosity or desire to know what is going to happen, or they generate another emotion, which is fear. If they generate these emotions, then it makes people click. Desire, fear, curiosity. His thumbnails ask a question. For example, look at this one. His thumbnails actually trigger some kind of curiosity. Like, look at these two. When I met the famous Cristiano. So he's clearly meeting some kind of fake Cristiano Ronaldo. But what happens when he meets him? We don't know. So I want to click and I want to see it. When I met the famous Cristiano. And look at this one as well. This is why Cristiano Ronaldo is called Mr. Champions. This is why. The video is talking about why he's called that. Why is he called that? I want to know. I'm curious now. What did he do? Did he win a lot of champions? How many champions did he win? Let me click. See, curiosity is right there. Okay, now let's move on and let's analyze this other video that he does to see his structure. The golden button for my golden kids. Okay, here you have a lot of emotion, happiness, laughter. We also want to know what happens when he hands the golden play button to his kids. Wait, the golden play button, what does that even mean? Does it mean 1 million subscribers? Does it mean 10 million? Does it mean 100,000? So that is also another question that I'm asking. So I want to click, I want to know what happens. Okay, I hope that has helped you out. But good news, another thing that he does, which is the golden tip, is aura. He has aura, he has screen presence. He's so calm and confident. Are you calm and confident in your videos, or are you talking like one of those tech tutorial channels that just talk like, oh, I'm going to click on, oh, you have to click on this, and yeah, it just sounds like they just woke up. You need to have energy. Show your face on the camera, don't do no face videos. Show your face and be confident and open. This all helps. Ronaldo has aura as well. Okay, that's the end of this video. But if you want to learn how to make money once you get views, then click on this video that I have made for you right here.